New just listed home. 1905 Oyster Catcher Lane number 911, Clearwater, Florida by Richard Brew from the military veteran team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with the largest floor plan in the complex offers convenience and luxury. Located on the first floor, this end unit features high-end upgrades, including solid wood flooring, crown molding, and plantation shutters. The open concept living space is flooded with natural light, while the updated kitchen boasts solid wood cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious primary bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom, and the second bedroom is versatile for guests or a home office. Enjoy resort-style amenities in the highly desirable Feather Sound community. Just minutes from Clearwater Airport, this home is the perfect choice.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.